Hello! How are you? Welcome to BrainTune YouTube channel. I am your friend, the TechTune. So, let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to the BrainTune channel. Today, we will learn C programming language. Let's start with part 1 of the series. To create a simple C program, which prints, "Hello, world," on the screen, use a text editor to create a new file, for example main.c. The file extension must be .c, containing the shown source code. Okay, let's look at the simple program, line by line. First, #include stdio.h. This line tells the compiler to include the contents of the standard library header file, stdio.h, in the program. Headers are usually files containing function declarations, macros, and data types, and you must include the header file before you use them. This line includes stdio.h so it can call the function puts. So, stdio.h helps in calling function puts. Second thing, we have int main. This line starts the definition of a function. It states the name of the function which is main here, the type and number of arguments it expects which is void here, meaning none, and the type of value that this function returns which is int here. Program execution starts in the main function only. Okay, third thing we have here is the curly braces. They are used in pairs to indicate where a block of code begins and ends. They can be used in a lot of ways, but in this case, they indicate where the function begins and ends. Next thing we have here is the line puts, "Hello, world." This line calls the puts function to output text to standard output, which is the screen, by default, followed by a new line. Puts automatically appends a new line in the program. The string, which we want to be output, is always included within the parentheses. "Hello, world" is the string that will be written to the screen. The output can be seen in the output box. Always remember, in C, every string literal value must be inside the double quotes. Okay, also note, in C programs, every statement needs to be terminated by a semicolon. Now, let's look about return 0. When we defined main, we declared it is a function returning an int, meaning it needs to return an integer. In this example, we are returning the integer value 0, which is used to indicate that the program exited successfully. After the return 0 statement, the execution process will terminate. Okay, second way of printing "Hello, world" is by using Printf Function, as shown. Printf Function allows to print some character, string, float, integer, octal and hexadecimal values etc. onto the output screen. That we will discuss in detail in upcoming videos. Also note, return statement is not necessary in C language, so some compilers may not give error, even if you don't specify the return statement. Okay? I hope you must have understood the concept. So like, share and subscribe our channel, BrainTune, for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.
Friends, please hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos. And do share it with your friends. Goodbye, from your friend TechTune.